వేదికగా భారత్ ఆస్ట్రేలియాల మధ్య జరిగిన తొలి టీ20 మ్యాచ్లో భారత్ పోరాడి ఓడింది. ఆఖరి బంతికి ఆస్ట్రేలియా విజయం అందుకుంది. నిర్దేశించిన 127 పరుగుల లక్ష్యాన్ని కాపాడుకునేందుకు భారత బౌలర్లు కఠోరంగా శ్రమించారు. దాదాపు విజయపు అంచుల వద్దకు వెళ్లారు. ఆఖరి ఓవర్లో కంగారూల విజయానికి 14 పరుగులు అవసరముండగా 2 బౌండరీలు బాదేసి సిరీస్లో 1-0తో ఆధిక్యంలో వెళ్లారు.
15th over the wicket played well and we just didn't bat really well. So a low scoring game is always on the cards in T20 cricket every now and then because you're always going for runs. But yeah, you rightly said it. I mean, with the bowling effort, everyone was pleased. We never thought we were going to be in that position in the 19th over, but Bumrah can do wonders with the ball when especially it's reversing a little bit. And he got us into the game beautifully along with Mayank as well, who I think bowled brilliantly in the middle overs. Yeah, I mean, anything's possible right now. We want to give him game time and Rishabh as well to figure out what we need to do in the World Cup. And yeah, look, he's a quality player. The way he plays in the power play especially, he backs himself to play good cricketing shots, and it's very difficult for the bowlers to contain him or get him out when he's playing like that. So I think he played a really good knock. There was a little partnership between us, but that could have been longer and bigger for us to get to 150 maybe. I think 150 would have been a winning score.
టాస్ ఆడి బ్యాటింగ్కు దిగిన టీమిండియాకు శుభారంభం దక్కలేదు. ఓపెనర్ రోహిత్ శర్మ 5 పరుగులతో వెనుదిరిగాడు. థాబర్న్ స్థానంలో జట్టులోకి వచ్చిన కేఎల్ రాహుల్ 50 పరుగులతో స్కోర్ బోర్డును ముందుకు నడిపించాడు. విరాట్ కోహ్లీ 24 పరుగులతో పెవిలియన్ చేరాడు. ఎంఎస్ ధోని 29 పరుగులతో నాట్అవుట్గా నిలిచాడు. పంత్ 3 పరుగులతో నిరాశ కనబరిచాడు. ఆసీస్ బౌలర్ కౌల్టర్ నైల్ 3 వికెట్లతో చెలరేగాడు. దీంతో భారత్ 7 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి 126 పరుగులకే పరిమితమైంది.
Spend a bit of time through the middle. I felt like I was able to control the middle overs there. Had a really good partnership with Darcy, and unfortunately we both got out in pretty quick succession to cause a bit of chaos at the end. And credit to India, the way they fought back with the ball was outstanding and showed their character. But for Pat Cummins and Jai Richardson to do that at the end was outstanding. Yeah, it's something I've done really well, I suppose, in T20 internationals and domestically back home in the Big Bash. So it's a position that I feel really comfortable in, and luckily enough I've been entrusted with that with Finchie as captain and JL as coach. So hopefully I can keep doing well for them, and that'll lead to better results for Australia. I think if you look at the overs left, I think they had Krunal and Bumrah with the 2 guys that were extremely hard to get away, and that was pretty obvious. And so I just decided to target the other guys, and a guy like Chahal, I felt like I played him quite well up until then, and he floated one up that I felt like I should hit for 6, and unfortunately